Roblox's solid modeling consists of 4 tools: union, intersect, separate, and negate. Solid modeling is the process of joining parts together in a unique way to form more complex shapes known as unions or intersections. These are the hotkeys for Windows and Mac. Union is fusing parts together to make a single part. So we have 3 parts selected. If we press union, it will make them into a singular part. Yes, there are problems with the texture, but try to fix this. It gets fixed in the weirdest way possible. So like this, it works. Roblox's solid modeling is actually pretty weird. This is why we recommend using Blender most of the time. You can also change the render fidelity to precise, because if you set it to automatic, you get some problems where it looks like this. Just use precise. For creating holes and parts, we need to use the Negate tool and the Union tool. I've set up 2 other parts. Just set the transparency to 0 and I'll negate them. They will turn reddish, or they don't need to turn also reddish, but it could be like this. It will turn transparent. So when you negate the parts, just select all the parts, the negated ones and the non-negated ones, and union them together, and you'll find a lovely shape that you've done. As for the separate tool, it separates a union operation back into its individual parts, essentially serving as an undo for the union that you've done. For you to separate parts, you just select the union that you've done, just press separate and you're back. If you don't want these negated, just press negate again and they're going back to normal. As for intersect, it replaces parts with only the area where they overlap. So for example here, if I select these 2 and I intersect them, this is how it looks after intersection, and this is how it looks before intersection. It only leaves the parts where the parts overlap, and it won't leave the rest of this. I recommend looking into this document made by Roblox because it explains everything thoroughly. Now you know what to do. I'll leave the link for it in the description. So yeah, goodbye.